Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 9th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will see rain chances slowly increasing through midweek with the front approaching. And Eta, a system in the Gulf of Mexico, is a very interesting one to watch. A lot of uncertainty with that thing. Let's talk about it. Here's the upper look this morning. Big trough in the western states. They've had a lot of cold and snowy conditions there. Ridging in the east. It's a high amplitude pattern. And underneath the ridge, we have Tropical Storm Eta. It's a very mild morning. We're in the 60s to start the day. Highs will be well up in the 70s this afternoon with a mix of sun and clouds. On the watch warning map, a number of states out in the west with winter weather advisories. Notice a blizzard warning for parts of Montana. And then down in South Florida, we've got the tropical situation there. Otherwise, the east is quiet. Got a marginal risk of severe storms over the southern tip of Florida today with Eta. Also for parts of the nation's midsection. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from near St. Louis up to Milwaukee. And day 3, which is Wednesday, no severe weather expected, but there could be a few isolated storms around here, not severe. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The really big numbers back in the upper Pacific Coast region and also in the southeast. Now, for Alabama, the amounts are higher over the eastern half of the state. Rain amounts there between 1 and 2 inches between now and Monday morning of next week. Under 1 inch for the west, but I caution you, the forecast confidence is not especially high through the weekend, as you'll see, and that could change very easily. And this is one of the culprits in the low confidence forecast, Tropical Storm Eta. This is the radar presentation. It's spinning away in the Gulf now, well to the west of Key West, moving west. And what's this thing going to do? Well, this is the forecast track from the National Hurricane Center. They bring it briefly to hurricane strength, a minimal hurricane tomorrow, into Wednesday. Then it weakens back to a tropical storm late this week, gaining latitude, coming up toward Cedar Key areas north of Tampa Bay. But there's a lot of uncertainty here. Let's look at the tropical model set, and you can see there's a split camp. About half of them bring it up toward the area north of Tampa. Half of them push it west toward Mexico or Texas. This is the European guidance, the ensemble. And most of the members, not all, but most of them bring it up toward really area around the Big Bend. But the GFS says, nah, it's going west. So, and again, some of the models, the members of the ensemble curve it up toward Louisiana. So it is very much up in the air at this point with weak steering currents. Steering currents totally collapse in coming days. This is the intensity guidance, and this will not be some big, intense hurricane. When and if it reaches land, it will be a rainmaker. You can see steady weakening through the next 5 days. And we should note there is a low in the middle of the Atlantic that's currently non-tropical, but that could acquire tropical characteristics at 40% chance out there. We'll see if that gets a name or not. But again, that will not affect the United States. So let's go through the GFS. This is the 06Z run at 4 o'clock today. Big trough in the west, ridge in the east, and Eta is in the Gulf. And for Alabama, the day should be dry, a mix of sun and clouds, pretty mild highs in the mid to upper 70s. Now, tomorrow, moisture increases here. We'll bring in the chance of showers by afternoon. Probably nothing too widespread, but some rain is possible. Mostly cloudy, highs in the 70s. We've got Eta hanging around in the Gulf. Wednesday, that front comes in here, surface front, so a few showers are likely on Wednesday. Again, highs will be well up in the 70s, mostly cloudy. And then Thursday, the GFS shows Eta still hanging around. And if this is right, we're drier, and the humidity comes down. Highs in the 70s, not cooler, but less humid. This is Friday. Showers confined to the southeastern tip of the state. Eta hanging around in the Gulf. Northern half of the state dry. Partly sunny with highs in the 70s. We'll start the day down around 50. It'll be a cool morning. We'll check the European at the same time on Friday, and it's got Eta just gone. It had moved northeast and dissipated, and that would be a beautiful day. But one way or the other, Friday looks like a pretty good day here. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, again, great uncertainty. We'll go back to the GFS. It's got Eta south of Louisiana with enough moisture for showers, but it could be a sunny day. It is a total split camp of the modeling here. And this is Sunday. The GFS weakens Ada, brings it up toward Louisiana. And again, that would suggest a chance of showers if this verifies. But I stress, the weekend could wind up being totally dry here. It's pretty much a coin flip. This is Monday, zonal flow, and again, the GFS depicting a few showers down to the south. We'll get much better clarity in coming days in terms of what's going to happen this weekend. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 18th. Shortwave trough well to the north. A front approaching, but again, that looks dry. Rain off the European ensemble for Birmingham for the next 15 days. The mean between 1 and 2 inches, but the members are all over the place. Highs this week and over the weekend will stay in the 70s. Then next week, from the national blend of models, and I do think this is correct, we go back in the 60s and 40s, which is seasonal. However, the new CPC outlook for November 16th through the 22nd showing much of the contiguous United States in the red, meaning temperatures above average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.